Okay, so guys, I'm going to be showing you how I made over $1,000 in affiliate marketing promoting just one product. Yes, you heard me right. I promote a whole lot of product, but on this particular one, I promoted just one product, and within a short period of time, I made over $1,000 from that particular product. And I'm going to be showing you the step by step on how I did that. You see, affiliate marketing has been one of the oldest means and method that a whole lot of internet marketers that you know today actually started making money online. But today, affiliate marketing is becoming kind of difficult. Okay, the traditional way of doing affiliate marketing has been you getting a website, buying domain name, getting a funnel, and begin to promote that your affiliate link. Okay, that has been the traditional method, but trust me, that method is becoming difficult by the day. So the best way to promote your affiliate method in 2025 and beyond is what I'm going to be showing you in this video. Okay, so make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you get the juicy and the easiest way of how to make money online promoting other people's products and services. Okay, let's get into the video. Let me show you. Okay, so here I'm going to be showing you the over $1,000 I told you I made. Okay, if I come down here, you can see this is $1,209 that I've made from just one product here. Okay, and also if I go, let me just go to my payout here. So quickly, let me show you how I got this payout, and to show you truly that I got payout from those products that I actually made sales on. Okay, so here you can see, in short, I made most of those sales in the month of April in 2025. Okay, so you can see April, you can see paid. These are payouts. Okay, you can see payout here. You can see I made all those sales and I got paid out. Okay, this is just only one product that I promoted, and I'm going to be showing you how I actually promoted this product. Okay, so guys, like I rightly told you, for me personally, I stopped using email marketing. Okay, you see, over the years I've been doing email marketing. In short, I have a very robust email bank. Okay, where I used to promote stuff to people, but since August 2024, I stopped doing more of email marketing. So I'm now on YouTube. Okay, and quickly let me show you now. For this particular channel that you are watching this video, this is not the YouTube channel that I use in promoting my affiliate product. Okay, so I have a dedicated YouTube channel where I use in promoting my affiliate product. Okay, so quickly let me go there and let me show you that YouTube channel. Okay, so you can see this is the YouTube channel. Now this one is different from the particular one that you are watching. Okay, so this particular YouTube channel, I use it basically for promoting affiliate products. Okay, and that is exactly what I want to encourage you to do in 2025, guys. Go create a YouTube channel. Okay, now you remember I said you don't need to spend a dime, just go ahead and create a YouTube channel. When you create a YouTube channel, okay, then you now need to get a product that you're going to be promoting. Okay, now to get a product that you're going to be promoting, you can go to this website. Okay, you can go to this website that is called Seller. Okay, here on Seller you'll be able to get it could be digital products, it could be ebook, it could be physical products. You can get them on this website called Seller here, and all you just need to do is just to go ahead and begin to promote those products on YouTube. Now, how do you start promoting those products on YouTube? Also, I'm going to be telling you. You can also go to this other website that is called Commission Junction. Okay. Now, here on this website, also you can get loads and loads of products that you can promote. Okay, ranging from a digital product to physical products, ebook, and all that. You can get them also on this particular website. Okay, now all these websites, I'm going to be linking them in the description of this video. You can also go to impact.com. This is one of the oldest affiliate websites where you can actually get different products and services to promote. Okay, just come up here, sign up here, and also you can begin to promote their products, and by the time it makes sense, be rest assured that they are going to be paying you. Okay, now we also have ClickBank, we have Digi24, But you know, some of all those other ones like Clickbank and Digi24, those ones, they have restrictions when it comes to some countries. There are some countries that are not really welcome on those websites. So I would like to restrict, for now, I would like to restrict my recommendation to Impact.com, CJ, which is Commission Junction, and also Seller, and some other private ones, other or individual ones that you can find around. Okay. So you just need to do, like I already say, just for you to go there and sign up. Okay. Now, after you must have signed up on those affiliate websites, okay, you need to study any of the product that you're going to be promoting. Okay, get to understand the product, get to understand the competitor in that particular field of product. Okay, so let's assume you want to promote get response. You know, in get response, when you talk about getting a domain name or getting a website, get response, Hostinger, blue and blue chip or something, I've forgotten the name, and a whole lot of other ones. Okay, now you pick a particular product that you want to promote. Okay, now you begin to do comparison of that product to other products in that YouTube video that you're going to be making. Okay, but you know, the trick is this: that particular product that you're going to be promoting, that you want to put the link in the description of that video, let the benefits of that particular product be more than the other competitive product that you're going to be talking about also. Okay, let your audience know the reasons, let them see the advantages of why they should go with that particular product that you're promoting. Okay, then at the end of the day, you tell them that if they want to take a look at that product, they should go click the link in the description of your video. Okay, trust me guys, I've done it all. I've done email marketing and all that. YouTube actually pays. I just showed you just one product that I promoted and I made over $1,000. Go ahead and give it a try and see if it will not work for you. But trust me, it's going to work for you. Remember, I just showed you only one product. There are so many other products that I actually promote. For this particular product that I promoted here, this is a prop firm. Now, this is a product in Forex. Okay, these guys, they actually give funds to Forex traders. If you're a Forex trader, you understand what exactly I'm trying to say. Okay, these guys, they give funds to Forex traders. If you're a Forex trader and you need funds, you just go here. These guys are going to be giving you funds. So I try to promote their product to Forex traders. So you understand, in this particular niche now, I'm talking about Forex traders, promoting this particular product to Forex traders. So as soon as the Forex traders, they buy into this product, I get commission. I get paid out some referral bonus, which is called commission. Okay. In your own case, it might not necessarily have to be in Forex trading. Okay. Yours might just be in any other digital product. Yours might just be even in physical product. Okay. Just look for a particular, there are a whole lot of them. Like I already told you, if you go to this website, you can find a whole lot of products that you can actually promote. Okay, I told you, right, ranging from digital product to ebook to courses and membership to event tickets and training to services to physical goods. Okay, the same thing applicable to all those other affiliate marketing websites that I showed and talked about. Okay, so guys, please leverage YouTube. Leverage YouTube. Like I told you earlier, this particular YouTube channel is just dedicated to affiliate marketing, and I've been crushing it here. Trust me, I've been crushing it here. So, guys, that's all I'm going to be showing you. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, just go ahead and do that now, because from now henceforth, I'm going to start dropping gems on YouTube on how to make money online. Okay, so guys, if you've not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, okay? And give this video a thumbs up so that others will get to see it, okay? I'll see you guys in the next one. Do take care of yourself, and bye-bye for now.